viewers, likers, subscribers, and commenters. How are you all? How's life? How's everything? Ah, so yeah, as you guessed in the title of this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys finally how to solve a Rubik's Cube. You guys have been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this. I guess the live stream didn't go too well. You guys couldn't understand. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys clearly how to solve the Rubik's Cube the beginner method way. Yeah, I use the beginner method, and if I can get a 49 seconds, and my friends can get a 25 seconds, you guys can at least learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube in a good time. Listen, I learned this from J Perm's videos. You guys can learn it too. Let's go. Ah, we are going to use my beloved Warrior S right now. So yeah, guys, let's get to it. We'll see you guys once I get back. Needed that bathroom break really quick. Anyway, yeah. So let's face the camera in the right way so we can get started. Guys, we have started. So as I am holding the Rubik's Cube, you guys can see as well. I am scrambling. So yeah, I've been teaching my friends and everybody this. So yeah, first I need to teach you the recognition of all the pieces. This centerpiece thingy is called a centerpiece. These two colored pieces, there are four on each side on the whole cube. I think they're like 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah. These are called edge pieces. These ones right here. And the three colored ones, the thingies at the complete corner are called the corner pieces. So let's start learning how to solve the Rubik's Cube once and for all. We have not been doing this in a long time, guys. Let's get to it. Anyway, first of all, this is the we're starting with the white cross. We look for all the edges with the white piece. You know the edges, these pieces right here. I see a red edge, and red is over there. So what I'll do first is move this over there, and then voila, we got a part of the cross. As you guys can see, the blue edge is here, but it's not really in the correct spot. We just move it down here. As you guys can see, here, one more, up over here, and one, two. There, as you guys can see, what we did was this blue is opposite green and we put it down, moved the Doppler two times, put it up, and then moved it back two times. So now it is in the right spot, and we've got our two pieces. Basically, we have the cross. Now we're searching, and as you guys can see, yes, our two orange and green are both in the correct spot. Let's flip them in the right way. Yellow one, two, and this is orange. Now green. This is the um, yellow. So yeah, one and two. And there, guys, as you guys can see, we've got our white cross. So guys, now we focus on the corner pieces. The corner pieces. Yeah. So this one is actually white, green, and red. So we got green, red, and white. So we move it like since it's facing this way, we move it over here. Put this layer down, which contains the green, red, green, red, and white. We move it back in there, and there we go. We have a soft corner. What is this again? So since guys, this is over here, we move it. So you can see that this goes up, this will come here. So we don't want that. So we move it this way, this down, and then we have it. We have inserted the first corner of the cross. So since guys, these are not in the correct spot, so we use this side, whatever this called, front there, over here. Then turn this back there, turn that back there, and there we go. Across it still there. Now the green and orange. So this is green and this is orange. This is and then white. So we put this down, put that as you guys can see orange, green, and just like we did, but in the opposite direction. This is a good opportunity to show you that. That back up there, and our second corner. Guys, if you understand till now, I deserve, and you guys know I do deserve that subscribe, like, share, and comment. And so because guys, this video can help not just you, but any person you share it to. I've learned it from a YouTube video myself. Please, guys, I know how much this helps. So yeah, guys. This time I show you with the previous corner. First of all, let's insert this one. Since this is a blue, red, this is a blue and red and white. This is blue orange. We move it to the red, but still, if we put it down, we go like this. We move it to this. We move it to this part. Put the blue red cross piece down. Basically, the blue one. And then we put it back, and there we go. Our third corner is in. Now we are left with this one with the orange. Put this down, bring it back up, move that over here, put that down, and we got our first layer, guys. If you understood so far, please hit that subscribe button. Now, once you put the top layer, you can, if you don't have these pieces correctly, you can at least have this one, two, and three like this green. I don't kind of team, a kind of team. This is not yeah, guys, flip it over. What is next? This edge piece is aligning with red, and green is on top. So guys, since you know, like in the genuine color scheme, regular color scheme, green is opposite blue. From red, we hold it from red, move the green top, red edge piece with the green top to the blue side. If you guys get it. So yeah, guys. Now we do whatever this thing is called. I don't know what it's called, but it's called something. It's called a one, two, three, four from the right. Then one, two, three, four from the left. And as you guys can see, we've got our very first edge inserted off the second layer. Same here, guys. Blue and red, and there's the lining in red. So as you guys know, blue is opposite green. We move it to green. Now we start from the left. One, two, three, four. Then we move it like this. One, two, three, four. And guys, we've got two corners already inserted. But by now, this edge, this edge. So you guys might know how to be edge back and take one out an edge and bring it back. So what I do is take any random edge, like for example, if I move this one like this edge will come out. I don't really care because I love to get this thing out. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. And as you can see, guys, we got this out. Moving on green, and as you guys can see, this is moving on orange because it's aligning with orange. And it's green on top, and green is on left. So yeah, if you move it here, that's wrong. You move it on blue because blue is opposite green, and then one, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Here you guys can see we have another edge inserted. Now we move to the last edge, orange. From orange, you guys can see that it's blue on top. We can't move it on blue, so we move it on green. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. And as you guys can see, we do a little song, baby. Yeah, you can see this is our second layer done. You should give it upside down. Now I hold it from the red side. And luckily, we already got this four thingy made. You guys can still see. This four thingy is made. Now we look like this. It should be at the back left. Yeah. Now we turn this layer like this. You know, look, this is the top layer, front, front layer, front layer, right? And the same thing that is repeated. One, two, three, four, and again. One, two, three, four. Turn that back up here. And guys, either you have all the four cross pieces correct or two. Like I've got two. This is a perfect two. If you've got two, do this. If you've got four, then just wait for the next one. So the two small pieces we have like this. That one is on the right, and you guys can see one is at the back. So red is at my back, and you guys can see, and blue is at my front of the orange. So we have let's go. One. So you guys don't have to put any front legs. One, two. Sorry, it's not like this. Sorry, guys. It's like one, two, three, four, five, and then all the way to one, two, and then it's down. So guys, now as you guys can see, we've got our correct corner cross. Yeah, top cross. Now we look for the any one solved piece. For example, if it's like this, it doesn't matter if it's like this flipped over because it's still solved. It's still in the right spot. Yeah, guys, mine was not. Keep it like that. And yeah, guys, now we put it at the front right. You know, like it's front right right now. So yeah, we'll give it at the front right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is one time. See guys? And our work is done in one time. Now I'm starting with the green side. This is not the right green or yellow. You learn how to solve it. So yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you guys can see this corner now is small, now the other one. Now do not move the top layer. No, don't try to over here. Just go there. Turn the bottom layer to the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, we have a solved Rubik's Cube right here. Guys, if you're wondering, yeah, it either takes 8. Yeah, so guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, guys. So hope you guys learned anything. Hope I was clear enough. See you guys in another vid. Adios amigos.